Sabianas here, and we're playing Bee Swarm. So when we do guys the tutorial, welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator. In this game, you collect pollen from flowers and to make honey. But you don't do it alone. You are the leader of your own personal swarm of bees. So, what? I did this thing already? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. This guy is he's probably a pro or something. This thing, because it just did the tutorial. Hi, it's me, the developer. Oh, this thing, it's just about the Christmas thing. Yeah, I don't know if you really need to know about it. It's a lot. I don't want this video to be long. Look, already been a minute. Okay, cat dino. I know you go here. I'll use star jelly too. The star. Oh my god, cool. Star jelly makes it good. Look. So yeah, the star jelly makes it good. Okay, so I want to show you how to collect pollen. So all you do is just click, boom. Isn't that so easy? Look, it's so easy. Super easy. Oh my god, I literally got like 136 pollen right now. Jeez. Wait, I'm gonna close this thing so you can see my screen. So I want to get another YouTube channel on my phone so I can make videos on my iPad too, like Call of Duty, Minecraft, and stuff. So, oh my god, that's it? That's it? You're not kidding? Oh my god, I'm gonna get a different bag. Jeez. Boom. John can't afford it. Can't afford it. What? So basically, you get a jar first, then you can get the rake. Okay, that makes sense. That makes kind of sense. I don't really get it. Oh, by the way, you should do quest. So we could do quest. Yeah, oh, I guess what I want to say? I want to say sup Sabian is here. Sup Sabian S. Oh my god, I was like, sup. Oh my god. Oh, guess what my parents really like? So, I say, that's messed up. No, I think it's because of my bee. My bee, I think is really good. I want to check his stats. Wait. There was like bee stuff. No, I know this is not a looker bee. Oh my god, it is? Like just like kind of like involved looker bee. This one was hasty, right? Yeah, it was tasty. Boom. Look, this is so quick. I know. Oh my god, been 4 minutes. I don't think I've been talking that much actually. Oh my god, he has like a whole pack. What? I'm pretty sure if you get more bees, then your colony gets bigger because look, he like has like 10 more because he has so much bees. I'm gonna buy another bee. You can buy bees here. No, you could. Oh my god, I need 2,000? That's messed up. 2,000 honey? So messed up. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's the bee, which gives me like these power-up things. Yeah, it is the bee. Okay. Yeah, that was the bee. Okay. So you should know how to play, right? Look at him. He's making money like crazy. Look at all that. Oh my god. Okay, I thought it was like that snow guy. Oh, what? Snowfield is so much bees, but this dude has so much more. Oh my god, look at that guy. But I wish that's mine. Oh, that's a lot though. Jeez. Yes, I could, actually I could buy the rake. So I'm going to get, this new thing. Let's go. Whee! By the way, yeah, you can tell, I changed my skin a little bit. So, yeah, I changed my skin a little bit. So, oops. Oof. Boom. Wait, what? I need more? You're not kidding? Wow. Okay. Jeez. So, wow. I had no idea. Wow. That's messed up. My sister keeps messing up my videos. I don't know why she does that. I think she thinks it's funny. It's not good. She thinks it's funny to mess up my videos. Oh my god, been 7 minutes already? Wow. I think I should play some more. Like, I don't know. So I'm just going to get this new bag. So, you know how to buy stuff. So that's like the last thing. Also, you can get some stuff on Quest. Boom, and then I equipped it. So guys, bye. So Sabianes, I'll be doing some more Bee Swarm. Hope you like my videos, and see you on the next video. Please subscribe. Please smash the notification bell so you never miss out on the video. And see you guys on the next video. Bye.